So backhoe is still down. I'm waiting for some tools and some seal kits to redo that swing cylinder. So we're gonna try to use the tractor to get this pole in. I want to say it's like 14 feet or maybe even a little bit more. So holes are dug, that's all done.
This is how Dad chooses to work on his 58th birthday. So we're gonna blacken salmon tonight.
All four in the ground, done for today. It's a good start. Now we just got to concrete them in. I think certainly they are tall enough. That one is all on the ground. One more bag on this one. I'll pour. That's good?
Yeah.
Just another use for the tractor. I don't know if you want to call it a barn or just a shelter, but it's going to be pretty rudimentary. So I was in Colorado. Dad got some sheeting going on. So he's got the roof done. That's the back wall. I think that's all he's going to do towards the bottom. He's going to do that top because eventually where he is standing, you could put a trailer and then the saw will be over here. Cut your slabs and then drag them out to the trailer and be good to go because the saw head will be on this side. So it'll be kind of an easy way to go. Doing that up there with the metal will just keep the rain out, hopefully. I do think he's going to do this side, but obviously the front is going to be open. So it's starting to look like an actual rough building.
Got a picture of it. Pan in there, don't we?
Yeah, I think so.
Grab it.
Repacking the first cylinder on the backhoe actually is going okay so far. The gland nut wrench that I bought off Amazon, the cheap one, actually is working pretty well.
Damn. Got some threads on that thing.
Mm-hmm. Long story short, after fixing the seals and trying to put it back together, we accidentally cranked it to about 1,200 foot-pounds of torque when the spec was 700 foot-pounds. Safe to say that we broke something. So the whole process to do this actually took a few weeks. By the time we fixed one side, the other side actually started leaking, and so we fixed that, waiting on parts and buying hydraulic fluid. It was a rather long process. I can't say I recommend it.
Look at it.
And we finally are done with both swing cylinders. Nice new sealed up. We just finished the one on the left. We have not started it, so we gotta make sure that works tomorrow. We're gonna let the Loctite set overnight. I'm just hoping that many of these other seals last long enough for us to actually get some work in. They are not looking great. I know these are just dust seals, but it might be indicative of what's left. Kind of growing up here. Okay, what do you want to do?
So let's pick it up and go that way, and then I'll come in behind that. Pull up on the side. Okay. Definitely needs to come my way.
Come your way.
Are you even with the outside?